Yeah, but do it right back here. We're going to close this door. Right under here. Here, hold this. Right back in here. I'll show you here in a second. You can see there's a cross member that we wanted on. Not the body, but there's a cross member because the body doesn't always have strength.
Okay.
And make sure this is all tight. And then it'll start raising it up. Double check a couple times. Make sure. Right there. Right there. Not a whole lot of clearance, that's why we gotta jack this thing up. Good thing about our one. Show under there where it's jacking up. Now you gotta keep it just like that. You don't want to turn it sideways.
Is this corn park?
Yep.
You see it?
Yep, it's right there.
Yep.
All right. Now, it's either a 13 millimeter or a 1/2 inch. So we need to go get our sockets. So, let's go get our sockets. Grab the V4 kit. Yeah, I do. I'll show you where it is. Well, grab that. Let me see it. Here, hold this. We're gonna see. Got a 1/2 inch. An 11. 14. And we're gonna try the 1/2 inch right here.
Yeah, okay.
All right, now take this. Let's get our ratchet. I'll be putting these brakes on soon. Some of them. We got this one here. Let me see if this. Yeah, right here. Right there. I got these guys here too. Let's go back out to the car. Now, when we go to undo it, that's where you're going to have this underneath it. But the most important thing is to make sure this cap is on. That way, down in it, and then you make sure that this right here is tight so that it doesn't pour out. So there's a little bit of liquid in there. That's fine. So we're going to go ahead and put this underneath. And you saw where it was. So we're going to get that 1/2 inch onto this ratchet right now.
What's the 1/2 inch here?
Right here.
Which one do you need? This one?
Yep, put it right on there. Okay. Now go under there and see if it fits on there securely. Remember where I showed you?
Right here.
Yep. See if it goes on because the last thing we need is for it to strip, because then we'd be in a big problem.
We need a bigger one.
Do we? Let me see. Let's see. Well, we need a bigger one, like you said. Grab the sockets. Grab it in with your foot. Now,
So I size up. I'll do this one.
let's go with, we're going to try a 14. Yep, go ahead and take it off. 14 is too small. Let's see, what's this one? 15. Let's see the 15.
I think one more up.
Yeah, we're gonna try this here. Five eighths. All right, go ahead and put the 5/8 on the ratchet, just like that. All right, we're gonna move these other sockets out of the way. I'm gonna slide our oil pan back here, the oil catch. Well, I'm gonna put this over here. Don't undo it all the way first. You'll have to turn it the other way because that's tightening it. Yep, perfect. Now you want to keep it securely on there because number one thing is you don't want this to strip. Now it's going to be a little bit tight. I'll help you with it real quick. See, that snapped right? Good. Now do it slowly because soon it'll be just finger tight.
Yeah, it is already.
So do it slowly. We're going to get our cap here and this.
I'm gonna take it off.
All right, go ahead. Keep your finger away from it. Use your other hand. And we'll get our oil draining out of it. There you go. Now just keep your hand right there for a minute. Yeah, it's a little warm, but that's okay.
It's leaking.
Yep, it's going down in.
No, like on the side.
Yeah, we'll get cleaned up. It's okay. Look at that. That's a good job. Just like that. We're going to let that drain now. All right. We'll let that still drain just for a little bit longer to get most of it out.
Okay. What type of oil are we putting in?
5W20. Watch out. We got to get this over a little bit. All right. Set the bolt on the pan right there. And go grab yourself some paper towels and we'll get the oil off your hands.
Okay.
Just bring the roll out, bud. No, we're doing the oil. You get yourself wiped up pretty good?
Now I am doing it now.
You didn't get it on the door?
Yep, I think so. I don't think I did. I hand.
Good. All right. Bring some paper towel underneath here, because this is pretty much drained out now. And you're gonna wipe the edge of it. It's gonna get a little more. Just leave the paper towel roll up there. Just grab a couple pieces of it.
Actually,
Yeah, one's fine. So go ahead and wipe around where the bolt goes. It's still gonna drip just so long as where the bolt washer meets is clean. All right, that's good. Go ahead and start putting the bolt back in, but make sure you do it with your clean
do you
hand.
wipe it?
No. You can just go ahead and put it in. Now you need to wipe that off now, because you can't have any dirt around it because it'll leak. Let me inspect it for you. All right, go ahead and put it back on. All right, where did our ratchet go? All right, switch it around. All right, get it securely on there so it doesn't strip. Get it on all the way. There you go. No, that's good. No, we want to keep going. Good job. Here, let me put a hand on it real quick, just so we know. Good. Now I take that off. Now get your paper towel and wipe around. Wipe all around the bolt. Clean that all up. We don't want to have any extra oil down here. All right. All right, go ahead and start crawling out. Very good. And we'll get the oil thing out. Get the oil pan out. Threw that in. Yep, wipe the hands. Yep, get a couple more. We just got to make sure we don't get it on the front of the vehicle. All right, we're going to get this thing back on.
Where's the oil at?
We're going to get it in here in a second. There's still one more thing we got to do before we do anything else. All right. Hey, grab another couple paper towels. Pick up the ratchet and wipe all the oil off the ratchet. That way our tools are clean.
Is that why this one looks like this sometimes?
Yep.
Possibly use that one.
Perfect. Let's go set those over there for now. And we'll pick that all up here in a second. Put the tools here because you'll still need them. All right. In this vehicle, I don't know if you noticed, we didn't take a filter off the bottom. The filter for this one is on top. So what we have to do, take this cap off, which is the oil cap. See, 5W20. It always says it right on the cap. Set that here. Right here. It says remove for oil service. So we're going to take this off. And just for extra room, hold this. For extra room, we can just pop this off. And you can be able to see it a little better so you can learn a little more. So right here is where the oil comes out. So we're going to grab a ratchet right here.
I grabbed your ratchet.
Yeah, I grabbed one. Loose. Maybe it's this one. Yep. That one fits. All right. I'll put that on. Now our filter, we're putting a Mopar filter in. So it's not difficult, it's just plastic. This is actually cleaner to do it over here instead of having to get the filter underneath. And people are like, why? You'll see it's just paper. It's a paper filter. But that's what any filter is. It just, when it's underneath, it has a metal covering. Get a paper towel ready. We'll need a little more than that. See, it's right here. Put some paper towel underwear. It's right there. All right, look. See? There's our oil filter. Nope, we're going to come over here. Pull the oil filter out of it. Just like that. Now just set the oil filter down in here. Take this and clean it up. Unball the paper towels. So what you're going to be doing is cleaning up all around this here. All around the edges. Very good. All right, let me see the paper towel. Bring that back over here.
It's hot.
Yeah, well, we're just driving, but it's okay. All right, I'm gonna go inside and grab the no power in it. It's here. Just let me set it in here in the house. It might be on the fridge. We're going. Perfect. All right, let's take it out of the box. Yep, right there. All right, don't drop it. Now, what do we have in the box? And an O-ring.
Vinyl.
Yep, an O-ring. So we're going to replace the O-ring on this. Let's show them. What do you got here?
An O-ring.
An O-ring, and what do you got there?
A filter.
All right. Push the filter in. It's going to click. That's not in all the way. Oh, good job. You're going to click. All right, hold this. And I'll help you get this. Take this off. And then we're going to put the new O-ring on. Around like that. Back into the groove. You always want to make sure you get in the groove because that's where the threads are. It might look like the groove, but you want to get it into the groove. And we got ourselves a little bit of oil around it so that it's going to seal perfect. So come over here. You take that.